Hi grade 6, we are busy with mathematics and this is our second lesson. This is just to say that all the work done on this video is for term 1 for mathematics for the grade 6 and that Miss Ilse Trollop will present it. We are still busy with number sentences, so it is still the inverse of signs. So like we know, the inverse means it is the opposite. So the opposite of a plus is a minus. The opposite of a multiplication is a division. Okay. If you use a plus or a minus sign, it doesn't matter in which order to use it. For instance, 8 plus 2 gives us 10. But if we say 10 minus 8, that will also give us 2. Or we can say 2 plus 8 equals 10. Or we can say 10 minus 2 equals 8 because it is the opposite, that it is the inverse. So to check your calculations, you can use the inverse of that sign to check if your answer is correct. And the same with multiplication and division. It doesn't matter which way you use it, it will always give the same answer. For instance, 8 times 2 gives us 16, but 16 divided by 8 will give us 2. Or we can say 2 times 8 equals 16. And then the inverse is 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Guys, so it doesn't matter which way. You just need to remember that the opposite of the sign is to use it to check if you are correct. So the opposite of a plus is a minus. The opposite of a multiplication is a division. Okay, so we have homework. So please draw a line underneath your previous work. Then you write today's date. You write the heading. And please remember to underline it. Then you leave open a line. You write classwork, exercise 2.3, exercise 2.4. And then I've put in a picture for you guys so that you can see the work. So exercise 2.3, for each question, complete the sentence, then write down what you noticed. For instance, 1a, 27 times 8 gives you an answer. And then if you say 8 times 27, you will get the answer. And if you are correct, it doesn't matter how you put it because 8 times 27 and 27 times 8 will give you the same answer. Okay, and then exercise 2.4. Now use this new idea to solve these number sentences. So you have to fill in the blank space. And for virtual schooling, please remember that these are the 8 steps to take into account when you are doing virtual school. Number 1, please settle down and prepare yourself for the day. Number 2, log in and download your first lesson of the day. In this case, you can just go to YouTube to get your lessons. Number 3, knuckle down and do the work. Don't skip the steps and remember to read instructions carefully. So concentrate while you are doing your subject. Forget about the rest of the subjects. Concentrate on the subject you are busy with. If you are done with that, then pack up all your books, make sure it is neat, and then get the next subject ready. And then please take a short break so that you can relax your eyes from the computer screen. and then get ready for your next class. So get your next subject's books, get it ready, open YouTube, look for your next class, and then you can continue. After each lesson, please take a break, even if it is only 10 minutes. Just stand up, stretch, look at something else except for a computer or a telephone screen, and then continue with your work. Okay, please remember, go to our YouTube channel to find all your lessons. Thank you guys.